Hello friends, welcome to Digital Inquiry. Hope everyone healthy and safe. Today in our channel we are going to talk about Young Star Insurance Policy launched by Star Health Insurance. Why Star Health Insurance? It is a in-house claim settlement and faster claim settlement, having more than 9,800 plus network hospitals and 24/7 toll-free helpline to resolve your queries, and also free teleconsultation facilities available. Young Star Insurance Policy. This policy is designed for youngsters below the age of 40 years and renewal benefit till lifetime. And eligibility 18 to 40 years anyone can purchase this policy, and dependent children's 91 days to 25 years can include in this policy. Individual and floater both the options available in this policy. Up to 3 children can be covered in a single policy. No medical test is required to purchase this policy. And sum insured for individual 3 lakh to 1 crore rupees is eligible, and for family it will be 5 lakh to 1 crore rupees is eligible. Plan option. In this policy there is a two plan. One is silver plan, another is a gold plan. All the benefits which was given in the silver plan is included in the gold plan. Apart from two additional benefits which is included in gold plan is, one is maternity benefit and second is hospital cash benefit. Hospitalization cover minimum 24 hours is required, and cashless and reimbursement options also available. That means if you are taking a treatment in network hospitals, the cashless is, you can do it in cashless. If you are admitting in the non-network hospital, you can make your claim through reimbursement option. And room rent, no cap for the room rent cost, but if you are choosing a room in deluxe or luxury or suite room, then the cost will be considered as per the single private AC room. And hospitalization cover professional fees like specialist fees, consultants and surgeons also covered in this policy, and medical services, ICU charges, OT charges, oxygen, blood, all the expenses is covered under this policy, and drugs and medicines expenses also covered in this policy. Reimbursement cover, yes, daycare, all daycare procedure are covered and no sublimit for any daycare procedure. If you are hospitalized before the 24 hours, if you are going back to the home, then you can discuss with the doctor that given treatment is covered under the daycare. If doctor is telling yes, then you can take in the return and apply for the reimbursement. And pre hospitalization and post hospitalization, prior to the admission of the treatment 60 days expenses is claimable, and after the discharge of 90 days post, it will be expenses, whatever the expenses you have spent, it is possible to reimbursement. And road ambulance, shifting patient from home to hospital and hospital to hospital on actual basis, it is accepted, and coming back from home hospital to home is not accepted in road ambulance. Special benefits, no claim bonus. Yes, if a person purchasing a policy of 10 lakh rupees, if he is not done any claim in a year, additionally 2 lakh rupees he will get. That is 20% of sum insured. 2 lakh rupees he will eligible for bonus, and can keep continuously second year, third year. If he is not doing any claim, then up to 10 lakh rupees is eligible for the claim. That is 100% of the sum insured. If you are purchasing a 1 crore policy and there is a chances to get up to 1 crore rupees bonus, that is 100% of your sum insured. And midterm inclusion, yes, no more waiting for the newly married couple to include their spouse or baby. Yes, this plan is gives you the option to include your spouse and baby with immediate effect in your policy. Other plans, if you take, you have to wait till the renewal time to include your spouse or baby, but in this plan they are giving option to include immediately, but small condition, that is you have to intimate to include your spouse before within 45 days of marriage, and for newborn baby you have to intimate within 90 days of the date of birth. And discount in premium, you will, once you cross the age of 40, 41, if you are paying the renewal, you will get a eligible for 10% discount in premium. If any person enters at the age of 38, they are not eligible. If any person enter the age before 36 and is continuously paying the renewal without any break, then definitely the person will get 10% discount in the premium. Highlights of this policy: automatic restoration. Yes, if a person choosing a sum insured of 5 lakh rupees and the complete 5 lakh rupees utilized within the 4 month, and the remaining month he will get automatically 100% sum insured. If he is chosen 10 lakh rupees, after completing the 10 lakh, after utilizing the 10 lakh rupee within a year and additional month, he will get a 100% of sum insured automatic restore. This is applicable only one time in the policy term, and unutilized restoration sum insured cannot be carried forward. And wellness discount, yes, there is a app of in Play Store is available for Star Health Insurance, that is a Star Power. If you are installing that app and if you are participating in number of wellness programs, you can earn some points. Keeping that point, you will get a discount in the premium. That is, if you are earning 200 to 350 points, you will get 2% discount in premium, and up to 600 5%, and up to 750 points you will get 7%, and up to 1000 point you will get 10%. This is eligible the age after the 18 years of any person. If in a family, if husband and spouse, if it is they both can be participate in this wellness program, and both the points can be merged and taken for the discount in premium. In a family there is a 4%, and father and mother is already 18 years above, so the children's also, if it is 18 years and above, all the four family persons, the points will be considered and you will get a discount in the premium. Additional benefits: road traffic accident. A person riding a bike wearing an helmet, and if he is met with an accident, and in this policy if he is purchasing a 10 lakh rupees sum insured, immediately the additional 25% of the sum insured will be included. That is 2.5 lakh rupees will be included to take the treatment of if any road traffic accident. And if he is purchasing the 1 crore policy, then he will get a benefit of 10 lakh rupees. And e-medical opinion option also available in this plan. If you are taking any treatment before, if you want to discuss with our doctors, you can chat with the doctors with through email ID with submitting all your medical documents. Gold plan benefit. Yes, I told there is a two plan. One is silver plan, another is a gold plan. And all the benefits are included. Whatever silver plan gives, the same benefits is included in gold plan also. Apart from these two plan, these two benefits, that is coverage for delivery and hospital cash, these two benefit can be included in gold plan. Coverage for delivery available when both self and spouse are covered either on floater or individual basis for a continuous period of 36 months. Yes, if you are taking a policy at the age of 25, if you are continuously, if you are renewed for the next 3 years, after 3 years if you are getting a marriage and if you are delivering a baby after an again year, then it is covered under this policy. But there is a gap required for second, there is only maximum 2 delivery in a lifetime it is applicable, and waiting period for the 2 delivery is 24-month gap is waiting period is required. Hospital cash rupees 1000 per day hospitalization. If any person taking a treatment or admitted in the hospital for emergency, he will get a 1000 rupees cash benefit and he can utilize for anything. And it has to be maximum 7 days hospitalization, and maximum is 14 days per policy period, and subject to 1 day is deductible. If a person admitted in the hospital for treatment 14 days is admitted in the hospital, he will get 14,000 rupees, but in that only 1 day deductible is happened, that is 1000 rupees, and remaining 13,000 he is eligible to reimburse this cash benefit, and payment does not from the part of sum insured. Total support from Youngstar. Yes, if a person purchasing a policy of 10 lakh rupees, he is getting an additional benefit of sum insured, that is again 10 lakh rupees from no claim bonus, and automatic restore he is getting another 10 lakh rupees. From road traffic accident he will getting another 2.5 lakh rupees. Totally, if a person choosing a sum insured of 10 lakh rupees, he is getting a benefit of 32.5 lakh, and is paying the premium only for the 10 lakh base sum insured, and additionally another 10.2.5, total 22.5 lakh rupees getting additional benefit without paying any premium. So if a person purchasing a policy of 1 crore, he will get up to 3 crore rupees coverage with including all the benefits. Premium is depending upon your age and family size. if you want the premium code, please WhatsApp to my number 9449327243, and you can also comment below this video. I will help you to provide the premium. Policy exclusions is what are the waiting periods. First, that it is there is a waiting period for any illness apart from the accident. Accident will cover first day of the policy, and first 12 month there is a waiting period for pre-existing diseases. In other policy, if you see, there is a waiting period of 3 years, 4 years, like that. But in this policy, it is given only for 12 months. Tax benefit. Under 80 section D, the tax benefit also you will get, but you have to pay apart from the cash. If you are paying cash, then you will not eligible for the 80D eligibility. Portability. Youngstar policy to other company policy is possible, and from other health policy to Youngstar is also portability is possible. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please share to your friends and family. If you are not purchased, if you are a Youngstar, please purchase this policy. You will get number of benefits in this policy, so please purchase it. Meet you in next video. Till that, stay home, stay safe.